Hey guys, so we just personalized one of our leather keychains from the June subscription box with the deco color. And I'm just going to show you another tool that you can use on leather. Obviously, I can't include this in your subscription box, but if you have a wood burning tool that changes temperature, then you could do some debossing or heat foiling. So I usually start around 17 if I'm working with leather, and then I just have to adjust from there. This is the Truart brand, and I will link it below. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can add some gold foil to this. This is be like stamping foil or heat foil. Let me show you what you don't want to use if you're searching Amazon or whatnot. This is gold leaf foil, and it's very thin. See how easily it rips? It's like a very, very thin tin foil, and you apply it with an adhesive. So this is not what you use with a wood burner or a heat tool. You would want to find something that says heat activated foil. So this goes with the foil quill machine. It's what I used before I had my temperature controlled heat burner or wood burner. And so it works for projects. I just prefer the wood burner over the foil quill. But heat activated is what you want. What I love is called stamping foil, and it comes in rolls like this. It's just like a roll of ribbon or a roll of tape. So I'm going to show you how. I'm just going to snip some gold off, and then I'm just going to do a little strip of tape so it doesn't move. I don't need a lot, but just to hold it in place. If you want to use a pencil to kind of go over the surface, or a marker, that works fine. And the reason that works fine is because the foil has like a layer of clear over top. That's why you can add the heat, and then the gold is what's going to stick, and you'll still have the clear left over. So I could use a pencil, or I just use like a felt tip marker. And let's see, I'm going to write, we'll just do smile. I do a little heart. And I've got my wood burner at 17 right now. Let's kind of just go slow and see if it's going through. Let me show you this sample. If you see right here, that was like a test piece I did the other day, and the burner went through the foil. So that's how I know it's too hot. You don't want to go through the foil, but you want it hot enough that it will stick. So let me zoom in here so you can see this. It's pretty shiny, but okay, so you can see how it's kind of melting that. The texture you see is the texture from the leather. This is so shiny, I hope you can see it. Okay, so it's pretty consistent there. I'm going to remove the tape very slowly because I just kind of want to peel it back just a bit to make sure it adhered like I wanted it to. And it did. And there you have another permanent option for leather is gold foiling.